Hi, I'm Chris Siegel, Vice President of Product Development for Satco Products, and I'm joined here with Dom Cerce, who is going to talk about our emergency battery backup line of commercial downlights. What do we have here as far as the breadth of the product line?
This family consists of 16 unique SKUs. We have 2 shapes, round and square. We have 4 sizes, 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch. And we also have standard and emergency models.
Let's talk about some of the features of this particular product line that set it apart from some of the other categories of commercial downlights.
Sure. They all feature CCT selection on the back of the fixture as well as wattage selection. So you can set those values before you install it in the ceiling as well. The color trims are available for every shape and size, and they can be purchased separately and field installed before or after the fixture goes in the ceiling by simply snapping them around the face of the fixture. The entire family is 120 volt to 347 volt input voltage range. So there's a wide array of applications that these are suitable for.
Which is great because the majority of the products in this category are 120 to 277. So this extends that to 347 as a value-added feature.
Absolutely. They are also dual dimming, so they're compatible with both phase cut and 0 to 10 volt dimmers.
So Dom, when you buy this product, right out of the box, this is exactly what you're going to see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about what's going on inside this box.
Sure. The integrated emergency models will come straight out of the box as you see it here. All of the wiring that we could possibly do at the factory is done already inside the junction box to connect the emergency driver to the fixture, as well as run the test switch all the way into the bezel of the fixture. The wiring that the installer has to do is limited to very much the same as the wiring for the standard product. And then you just bundle up the wires.
So all the quick connects are ready to go. Really simple installation.
Yes, sir. They're all push-in quick connects. And it goes in the ceiling.
What about some of the other products in the market today and how their installation is versus this simple version?
What's typical in the North Downlight market is to have a field-installed emergency driver. So what you see here is all the work that the installer has to do in the field. There's a bundle of wires that connect the emergency driver to the fixture's driver itself, and then even more wiring that has to run out of this and separately run into a junction box for a test switch in the ceiling so that it can be remotely located.
So you could either put this in the ceiling or you would have to run it all the way down the side to the wall.
Yeah, alternatively you can run a long run of wire all the way to the wall.
Versus this, where it's conveniently located right on the trim.
This is essentially the same setup, but we've done all the work in advance. And we've run the wire cleanly all the way up to the fixture and installed it right in the trim of the fixture.
Probably cut the labor installation time in half, if not more.
More, definitely.
For more information on all of our commercial downlight product lines, please visit us at satco.com.